Discover the top 5 marketing spreadsheet templates that Retable users loved so much. 1. Content Planning Spreadsheet Template. With its calendar, Kanban, and data views grouped by content status, the content planning template is among the most loved templates of marketing teams. 2. Social Media Calendar Template. This template, which helps you manage all your social media posts from a single platform, is the second favorite of marketing teams, especially with its calendar and card view. 3. Online Summit Planning Template. We know that there are many details that need to be tracked while planning an online summit. From attendee forms to event calendar, speaker organizations, and tasks, it's all in this template. 4. Marketing Budget Planning Template. If you are having trouble keeping track of boring budget calculations while continuing to do your creative work, this template completely simplifies this process for you. Say goodbye to complex budget and expense tracking and hi to simplified way. 5. And last, Content Idea Tracking Template. This template is one of the newest in the Retable template archive and is already very popular. Track your creative content ideas in one place and vote the ideas with your teammates. Check Retable's extensive template archive and discover many templates that will take your productivity to the next level. Moreover, it's all free.